Hello everyone, I'll be demonstrating you the Imperium Employee Management app, and I'm here at the model-driven app. You can see the user dashboard. I'm on the user dashboard tab. You can see the approval status and multiple approval status by leave time. You can also switch to the main dashboard app. If you're a manager, you can if you have the privileges, you can also check that how many annual sick, unpaid, and work from home leaves are being assigned by users. You can also view the user's full name, and you can actually go through it and you can see it. There's a documentation panel over here as well. If you want to go through this documentation, you can go through and you can actually know the functionalities, how this app actually works. So what we'll be doing is that I'll be demonstrating a leave request flow, that how does this leave request flow works. So I'll be going to the request panel where I'll be creating some few leave requests, and these leave requests are going to be sent to the manager of Samir Irfan Qazi. In this case, I'm his manager, so yeah, I'll be getting his leave requests. So for testing, there are 4 types of leaves that you can take, and in this case, I'll be taking an annual leave for you guys to show how it actually works. So yeah, so we have to mention this description. In this case, I'm mentioning it as test annual leave. So yeah, you have to mention the type of the annual leave. You have to also mention are you taking a full day leave or a half day leave, and most important, you have to also mention that on which day you're taking this leave. So I'm taking it on 1st Feb until 1st Feb. So yeah, over here this represents the leave assignments, that how many leaves have been assigned to this specific user. So nothing else, we have to save this leave, and then after saving it, we have to send this leave. Over here, this message pops up and it says that the leave has been submitted. So we go back to the leave request panel. Over here, the approval state is pending because the manager has been given this request and he needs to approve it or reject it. So this app is following a Teams app hierarchy. So I'm going to switch to my Teams app hierarchy. I'm going to click on the Teams app. Over here, because I am the manager of Samir Qazi, I can view this request on my panel. So I'll go click on it. Now after clicking it, this notification will pop out, and then we can see that the description about this annual leave and the type and from which day this annual leave is actually going to work, and the duration as well. So over here I can approve it or reject it. In this case, I'm approving it, and I'll show you guys how the changes will reflect in the model-driven app. So I've approved this request. Now we'll refresh whether this request is approved. So yeah, this request has been approved. Now I'll be going to the leave assignments and to see whether the deduction of the leave assignments have been done successfully. So yeah, Samir has availed 1 annual leave, as you can see, and it has been deducted from the leave assignments that he has there. So we can also I'll be also creating 2 more leave requests on the basis of sick leave. You can take it half day, you can mention the date. So yeah, you can. So yeah, sick leave 2. Yeah, now we can save it. So after saving it, we'll send this leave again it's if you don't send the leave, it's on a draft stage, so it's necessary to send it. Has been sent. Can view it. There's going to be a notification pop out for this over here. This is how it actually works. I'm also going to showcase that how the clock entries work. So these are the clock entries, and for Samir, it's actually if he's taking an annual leave, there's going to be automated clock in and clock out for his 8 hours duration. So there's another app that I want to showcase, which is the Imperium Clocky app. It's a part of Imperium Employee Management. It's a Canvas app. Let me go towards it. And as you can see, this is a Canvas app. It is made for the employees of Imperium Dynamics. And then over here, you can go to click and you can go to your username and you can actually enter your PIN code. In this case, I've entered I've actually set the PIN code as default as 1234 for every employee. So I'm going to enter and clock in, and this notification will pop out that you have successfully clocked in. So if a user wants to clock out, he's going to click on his name again. He's going to enter his PIN. Make sure you enter your correct PIN. If you don't enter your correct PIN, this clock out button won't be available for you guys. So make sure you enter the correct clock PIN. So you click on clock out, and it is going to clock out. Over here, you can view the clock in entries over here, and you can see that I clocked in at 3 p.m. I clocked in at 2:59 p.m. and I clocked out at 3 p.m. So you can see the duration. So this is about it. This is how this app works, and thank you everyone.